The weekly maintenance. Tightness of rear bolts of vibrator.
Yes, I already explained him.
Ah.
From the back side there is a 8 bolts. Weekly you need to check it is proper tight or not.
Nylon roller, nylon roller.
Nylon
The
roller.
one you tutok.
Yes, yes.
Yung nasa loob, yung parang rubber.
Then
Okay.
tightening of pellet feeder cam that we have already discussed.
Discuss this already.
Yes. Wearing of pellet feeder dog and pin that is also we have discussed.
Yeah, discussed.
Pellet table dog. Checking of leakage from oil seal and packing glands. It
We
means
discussed.
some leakage from the pipe or something from here. So it needs to check visually. If it leakaging, so need to repair.
Leakage should usually be determined by the operator.
Yes.
If there is some leak,
Yes.
we cannot determine it without visual.
Yes. Visual you can see. If there
We
is
can say
leakage-
that it is a
Yes,
pipe
if-
leaking.
Yes.
Then that's the time to repair.
Yes.
If it is replaceable, but if it's not, we have to replace.
Yeah.
If it is repairable, but if it's not, we have to replace it with a new one.
Yes. Now go for the pumping unit.
This one.
First check fluid level that I have explained. The level. Check fluid temperature.
This one, fluid
Yes.
level.
Check fluid temperature. Here there is also a thermometer here. You can see the red line here.
Turbo. That's the
See,
temperature.
the temperature should be 55 to 60 degrees centigrade range during the normal operation. Means while you run the machine, it should not go above 60 oil
60.
temperature.
What if it happens that it's about
If
60?
it go to above 60, it will damage the oil seal, cylinder O-rings.
If that happens, we will stop the operation and call you.
Yes.
Call you.
Yes,
We will through video call.
yes, yes.
Napansingan niya na walang urin dyan.
O kaya may nakaagas
Check
ng...
operating pressure. Pressure gauge is provided on the startup block of pumping unit. There is a gauge there. Here it's a gauge. You already written last time.
Yes.
When you start the machine, it should be 850 psi in this gauge.
Dapat pa di mabubura yan. Si 850
Visually inspect return filter and cooler filter gauge during the machine operation. Visually operate. When the machine start, that gauge should not go in red line. It should only travel in green line.
it should not go beyond red
Yes,
line.
if it go to the red line, you need to replace the filter.
Yes. But according to you, the filter should be replaced every 6 months?
Yes, it is okay. For better life, it is okay that you replace the filter every 6 months.
It's better.
But in the 6 month, before 6 month, if in 3 months it's go to a red line, then you need to
You need
replace.
to replace.
But that filter can be purchased here in the Philippines?
You, if available here, you can purchase. Because Philippines market, I don't know.
But
The best, we order the
Yes.
filter.
But that filter is usually available in your company.
Yes. Maybe it is available in Philippines, but I don't know. You have
But
to.
what about the standardization? Is that the same part number? Or
Yes.
is the filter can
Yes.
fit on the
Yes,
hole?
it's a part number. We have already one in spare. You can take this filter and go to any shop and you can ask that you they have this kind of filter or not.
Regardless of part number?
Because I don't know the part number. It's in our company because I don't remember the part number because so many things.
Or the sample?
Yes,
Spare
sample they have
sample.
already they have sample. Visually check for abnormal noise or noise level. Means you start the pump sound should be normal. When you feel that there is some abnormal noise, yes, then you need to check the oil. That noise, abnormal noise comes from where?
If the compressor has abnormal noise,
Yes,
then we have to check.
yes.
Kung saan ang gagaling yung ano.
Suppose if that checking we could not find that trouble, the hissy noise in the compressor, we will
Yeah.
call you through video call.
Yeah.
We need to call you
We need
again.
to call you from time to time.
Yeah.
Because sometimes we cannot solve the problem by our own.
Yeah.
So we need your assistance.
Yes, sure.
Even
Visually check unit of leaks. Any leaks from anywhere.
Yes. That's
Visually check.
That's common sense.
Yes. Clean exterior of entire unit. This is the
clean.
most
Most important.
important point you can see here.
So dapat wala yan.
What do we use for cleaning? Compressor.
Yes, you can use compressor, otherwise that's cotton waste.
So hindi pala pwedeng ganyan na nababasa.
What happens if this area is always dirty? It can
It's damaged because you know about this is a main hydraulic pump. Its cost is nearby 5 lakh Filipino peso. 5 million.
5 million.
Yes, Filipino peso. Yeah. So it is, if it is in like this, so you can reduce its life. So you need to clean
Clean nga talaga ba?
everything. You can see here. This is all flawless.
All dirty.
Yes, all dirty.
Compressor.
Nga, alikabok nga eh.
Number 1 pala, compressor ang inaano.
Lalagyan ng kwan. Lalagyan ng
Replace.
yung ano tawag, ali.
Okay, now
Oo,
How about,
this is Puru.
is there,
kabuti yan.
regarding about the nitrogen,
Nitrogen.
Is that-
What is nitrogen?
Oh,
What's
yeah.
the maintenance for this?
maintenance,
That's also coming.
is that we have nitrogen? Yeah, okay.
There is no any maintenance, but every month
Every month.
you need to check the pressure of the nitrogen cylinder.
Is there any pressure gauge there?
Yes, 550 PS. We have a kit, pressure gauge kit, to check the nitrogen. We already have a pressure kit.
Meron ba?
meron,
ba?
meron.
Pressure kit para test the pressure.
No, nakita naman
pressure
niya.
kit to test the pressure.
Yes,
Pero,
So it should be 550.
yes, 550 PSI.
550 PSI. Every month.
Every month, one
every
time.
month.
One time every month checking.
One time
checking the
checking.
pressure.
Yes.
Okay, yan. Saan mo na?
Now it's do and don'ts for hydraulic system.
Doon. Where is that?
Hydraulic.
Do's.
Doon.
Do's
Do first.
and don'ts. Yeah.
Do make sure the spin-on breather is checked for closing and replace as per the
Preventive
PM schedule. See,
Where is it?
Meter.
spin-on breather, this one.
Yep. The pino breather.
Spin-on breather.
That should be clean.
Yes, it should be clean, and you need to check when you open it that if sometimes oil comes out, you need to replace it.
Oh.
Yes. All filter in all machine. Every 6 months you check. Don't wait for to become it too damaged. Before-
Every 6 months.
every
Just
6
like-
months,
just like
1,
the filter.
2, then 3 filter. In machine there is 2 filter. Every 6 months change all the filter.
Simultaneously. Should be changed.
1 by 6 months.
Do fill the hydraulic oil through return line filter route only. So when you top up the hydraulic oil, don't top up from here. Just only top up from this line only.
Oh. If you add hydraulic oil,
Yes,
only at this point,
yes, from this point only.
not there.
No.
So, if you will open this, is there no pressure inside?
No, there is no pressure. There is a one spring inside.
So
Yes.
there is no pressure. But it has pressure gauge.
It's for return line.
So it should not exceed the red line.
Yes.
So if we will open this, if we add hydraulic oil, when we open, there is no pressure.
Wala raw.
For when you open it, pump should be stopped.
Stop, machine, yung
Yes.
pump, wala daw. Kasi baka umandar ang ano, wala nang nakasarado pag ano, it should be stopped.
To make sure the suction line of the system is airtight. The air can enter the pump due to negative
Suction
pressure
line.
and create here.
Where are the suction lines?
This is the suction line. And it goes to hydraulic pump. So
Kailangan pala, boss.
is there is no,
Laging
it should be no
malinis
any
yung area
leakage
na
here.
yan.
If there is a leakage, it suck the air and it's go to pump and it is chance to damage the pump.
That is the pump. Pumps of the compressor. Motor, compressor.
Hydraulic pump.
Hydraulic pump.
To carry out proper flushing of entire system every time you change any failed hydraulic component. So whenever you just repair or change some hydraulic components, before make it assembly, before you need to flush with the compressed air and then you reassemble.
When cleaning the
When
tank,
cleaning,
the
when
tank.
you are doing some maintenance work,
You mean to say when you clean, you replace the oil at the tank, you have to spray air before filling.
when you remove the oil,
Yes, yes.
then you at that time you need to flush all the system.
We don't need to clean with gasoline. Like for example, gasoline we don't need only
Yes.
air.
Only air. You use gasoline, it's okay. You
Oh,
can
it's
use
okay.
also.
If you use gasoline to clean
Yes,
the
yes.
tank.
Yes, you can use. After gasoline, you just
Dry,
do
dry.
the air
Blow
and
air.
then take a good cotton waste and
What is the periodic replacement for oil? How many
it's,
months or years?
it's also same. It's a 50,000 hours.
50,000
for
hours.
this.
50,000.
And
Every
you can take some
50,000.
sample and you can check in
Is there any record there for hours of operation?
It's no any gauge for
Hours of
just
operation?
counting. Yes, no.
How do we know?
Mula nung nagsimula, siguro. Pwedeng
Also
ganun, may
operation
operation.
And even you can take some sample of the hydraulic oil and you can check it in lab that oil density is okay or not. So you can also
It is already most likely dirty.
Yes.
That's the time to replace.
yes. To make sure the system pressure is drained to zero before
Yes.
attempting to any hydraulic hoist. When you stop the pump, the pressure gets suddenly not go to zero. First it go to 500 psi, then stop, and slowly it's go down.
It should be slowly, not
Yes.
abrupt, not
Yes.
abrupt, not
It's not
fast.
suddenly drop.
Not
Yes.
suddenly abrupt.
So you wait for it's go to a zero pressure, then you do any maintenance work.
Pag ano ng boom, pag tayo ng makina.
Do make sure the system pressure is maintained at 850 psi. That I explained you. Yes.
Such older indication is there.
Do make sure to match mark the hose fitting when you are opening or maintenance or troubleshooting. When say ever you just remove any hose pipe or something, you just do the mark on the hose pipe and the connector.
So that it could not be interchanged.
Yes.
To prevent from
Yes.
interchange.
Yes.
What happens if we interchange the fittings?
Machine not running. It's running, but when you switch on the stripper up,
Can we put some marks or indication that fittings
yes.
there?
Yes, you can mark because every hose pipe is in my mind that where it is connected. But for you,
No.
no.
we are-
So you need to do some mark over there.
But usually, if the fitting is wrong, the machine will not run. Yeah, pag di raw pagmandar, mali yung ginagawa mo.
Mali yung ginawa, mali yung
Pag
nilagay.
mandar, mali yung pagkakabit o paano
Then
nahanapin.
to make sure the system pressure is completely discharged to zero and accumulator dump has happened before opening any line. It is the same point. You need to wait for the zero pressure, then you do any maintenance work. Do use copper washer or doughty washer as needed between the manifold fitting to get the required position. Like I explained you.
Hindi pwedeng tubig.
Bawal. Hindi pwede maggamit ng water.
Here, for example, we use the elbow here. This is the elbow.
Yes, yes.
Now, something happens and you need to change that elbow. But sometimes what happens when you get it tight, its position not comes on this line. It goes up or it goes that side. So at that time, you need some washer copper washer or dirty washer to make a position.
Ano ba yun?
I-concentrate
Ayan
sa...
o, ayan.
Sisingitan.
Right.
Yan, hinigpitan.
Hello?
Higpit mo,
Hindi pantay.
Ang higpit nito dapat ganyan posisyon.
Oo, ganyan
Hinigpitan
posisyon
mo
pala rin.
na ganon,
Oh, wag.
kailangan lagyan mo
Kailangan
ng...
diretso talaga siya.
Hindi, kailangan mo lagyan ng washer.
there is a
Oh.
Para tumama sa posisyon.
Sa posisyon palagi.
Hindi, hindi niya alam.
Hindi na.
Hindi, ibig sabihin pag tinanggal mo, di ba? Tapos binalik mo.
Oh, binalik mo.
Ganun, higpit mo. Hindi, pag higpit mo, hindi tumama sa ano niya.
Kaya alignment.
Paangat na ganon. Dapat lagyan mo ng...
Wala kang
Sa teflon, di ba
Oo,
dinadagan mo ng teflon para sumigit? Para hindi humigpit na konti lang.
Yun.
Nilalagyan washer para humigpit siya.
Pwede.
Konti higpit lang, mahigpit.
Kailangan walang tagas. Kaya importante kasi yan eh.
Kasi ano to, pressure to.
Hindi kasi ito mali. Minsan to hinigpitan mo. Tapos yung posisyon nakaganon.
Oo.
Eh dapat dagdagan mo ng ano daw.
Kaya ano, para pag ano, pag higpit, tapat siya dyan.
So hindi ka pala pwedeng gumalaw dyan nang wala kang, dapat talaga lagi mong tatatakan. May sign ka na doon din sa dati babalik.
Dito hindi nga umandar. Dito katulad nito. Hindi umandar. I-alignment dito, ito ang importante. Importante talaga yan. Yan ang timing dito lahat. Kung hindi na yung makukuha yan. Dito kami nagproblema. Bibigla.
Eh, in-explain na sa bibing.
Wala pa about doon sa change mold ng ganwat negative pa. Wala pa siyang binigay na info.
You clear this point?
Yes, number
14.
14, oh.
Do check the direction of rotation of pump.
Ayan, yan.
Direction of rotation pump, motor
Let's
assembly.
go to number 15. 15.
This is 14. 14 is remaining. Rotation of pump motor assembly before starting. Few seconds of wrong rotation can cause the failure. Sometimes I think sometimes you do some electrical work from your main supply, or maybe by mistake you can change the two phase. So all direction will be wrong. So you need to check the direction. If the main hydraulic pump direction turns to a wrong for only 1 minute, so pump can be damaged.
Ang ibig niya sabihin, pag sa kurente na nag-change ng, isa nag-change tayo ng ano yun,
Mahina yung kurente.
dalang single phase.
Single phase.
Mag-change ang direction. Kaya kung okay na, tingnan mo ang direction kung tama.
And do make sure preventive maintenance is carried with the utmost care on periodically. That we have explained you the checklist.
Yes, yes.
You should
There should be
maintain.
periodical checking.
Follow ba?
Ibig sabihin, pag nagkabaliktad yung ikot, yung pump na yan, yung klaseng pump na yan, pwedeng
Follow na ha.
masira.
Oh, may ano siya madadamage.
Sabi
Kaya
nga,
May baliktad ang ikot eh.
Attentive kayo. Attentive kayo pag nag-single phase.
Dapat
kailangan i-testing talaga.
Kunyari yan, gawa kayo ng gawa doon, di ba? Pag nagbaliktad yung wire, sila ng kami. Babalik, lahat dito, baliktad yung kanta.
Oo.
Babaliktad.
So magiging cause yan.
Hindi madaling ano. Maramdaman pala dito eh.
Hindi malalaman.
Hindi malalaman masyado.
Hindi alam. Dapat sila alam nila. Dapat pag ano, hindi under siguro. Kasi hindi nagsiguro. Kaya sa submersible,
Nag-tulak
sa
siya.
submersible, kahit baliktad yung ikot,
Gumagana.
kailan mahina.
Kahit sa tubo, hindi talaga umaandar yan kung baliktad ang power mo. Kahit tanong ibaliktad mo sa dati.
Pero iikot siya.
Oo, ikot siya, pero kuhan man. Pagkatapos ang iba, hindi talaga magkakaroon.
ये तो ना कि देवानु भाऊ करू थोड़ी यार પછી ફોન
Sa katagalan mo naman na gamit yan, maramdaman mo naman naman. Parang, siyempre parang sasakyan mo yan. Parang
to
alam mo
make
ginagamit.
sure the startup block is working and discharging the accumulator pressure during the shut off of power
16.
power failure. See, I will
Set of
explain.
lock is working. monitor.
When I start the pump, you can see there is a 850 pressure there. When I yes.
50.
Now when I stop, it's not suddenly to the zero. Now it stopped. No, in that case, not here. Again.
Again. 50.
You can heard this noise. Ha! This is the releasing of nitrogen pressure.
If the pressure suddenly returns, there is
That
a problem.
means there is a no nitrogen in the cylinder. If the pressure goes suddenly zero, it
Suddenly
means
zero.
there is the low nitrogen or no nitrogen in the cylinder.
Pag mabilis, laman.
Kulang o walang laman.
Do adjust the pressure and flow setting in the system with on and pump delivering the fluid. When you are doing some, like you are just increase the speed of the main feeder or pellet feeder or pump, the pump at that time pump should be on. Then you need to increase or decrease the speed of the any valve.
For example, we will increase the speed of the
Pellet feeder. At
Pellet
that time pump should be on.
The pump.
Yes.
This one should be on.
On. Yes.
Oh, paano mo nalagay yung
Do
wala lang, hindi na.
Do make sure you are not in the line of actuator while checking or troubleshooting. It means when you are just doing some any maintenance, you are not in the line because 850 pressure is more. So it should be to stop the pump and then do.
You have to shut off the pump.
Yes.
Oh, kasi baka babalik. So, pag mayroong tayong gagawin
Do
dyan,
store hydraulic
patay,
oil.
patay.
Do store hydraulic oil clean and organized environment. What is your hydraulic oil? Please keep that hydraulic oil in good environment with clean area.
Yes, yes.
So when you are going to top up, it should be clean.
The
20 number one.
hydraulic oil should be stored in a clean and organized
Yes.
area.
Yes. Do take oil samples on regular basis and get it tested for the contamination and wear properties. That I already told you. Just take some sample
Of the hydraulic oil.
Hydraulic
We'll
oil.
take samples from
Yes.
from our source or from the
from the tank, from not our pure source.
Hindi mat-cut. Ha?
Hindi naman po.
Do make
How do you know that the samples we get has a contamination?
Tapos 1 hour yan?
you have to check in lab,
2 hour. Continuous ang
The-
laboratory.
Laboratory.
Yeah.
laboratory.
Do
Yeah.
make sure airflow of AKG air cooler is correct. It is pushing the fan.
What is the cooler?
This cooler.
Ah,
Air should be come from this side out, not this side.
this should be the suction.
No, it's flushing the outside.
Ah,
Dito ang hangin.
Yeah.
Papunta rito.
If this motor phase can change, it suck the air.
Palitan.
So its direction that the air flushing outside, not suck the air.
Dito talaga buga. Kaya ang hangin ang kasi niya dito talaga.
dito paikot na.
Taigop na wala. Sira na yan. Sira na. Sira na.
Now, don't. Do not fill the unfiltered oil in the tank during the initial startup or maintenance. Don't use the unfiltered oil.
6 means yata.
Means
Do not use,
Yes.
do not pour oil,
Yeah,
do not
yeah.
add oil without filter.
yes.
So always use filter.
Palitan talaga.
Do not allow the oil level to go below the gauge. This will result of foaming in the tank.
As you explained.
Yes, as you explained.
As you explained earlier, that
Yes.
the
Gauge.
oil level should not
Yes,
below.
yes, below the gauge.
Below the gauge.
Do not allow foaming and aeration in oil tank. If your oil level is below the gauge, so when oil comes return, it's getting foaming in the tank, like it's taking get bubbles,
But bubbles.
in the tank. If it is get like this, so it may damage the pump, or its air can be go inside the pump because of this foaming and bubbles.
Bubbles. Vacuum. No?
Yes,
Can cause vacuum.
yes, vacuum.
Vacuum. Yes.
Do not allow the hydraulic system to operate temperature higher than 60 degree centigrade, as I explained you.
Yes, yes.
That
yes.
temperature
There
should
is a
not go
temperature
on.
gauge.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
gauge.
Do
Alam mo
not
na yung temperature gauge dun.
do not ever use
60,
cotton waste.
60 daw, 60 degrees Celsius.
Do not ever use cotton waste for cleaning hydraulic components. The thread of the cotton waste can get into the system and make it
Bulak.
malfunction.
Bawal ang bulak.
Yeah.
Bawal ang bulak magagamit para panlinis.
60 degrees.
Sa ano?
Surat, basahan.
Oh.
Do
Drugs.
not- yes,
We
yes.
use drugs, not
Yes,
cotton.
yes, yes.
Oh, drugs. Basahan. Hindi
Do not use gallon dory, Teflon tape and sealing the threaded joints.
Hoy, Teflon tape.
Yes.
That's our common.
In hydraulic lines.
Ay, depende.
In hydraulic lines. Yes.
No Teflon.
Yes.
Oh, walang Teflon.
Do not allow dust and concrete debris to build up and around the pumping unit. That I also explained you. You can see that it is all
Yan sabi nga niya, 5 million.
dirt.
million
Philippines.
5 million.
pesos. Kailan ka sabihin
Clean,
na yan?
clean ka na. Yung compressor, lagyan ng hose para ma-clean.
Do not flush or clean the hydraulic system with the diesel or petrol based product.
That is what I said.
Yes, but you can use it normal. This is the just formality that
we can
yes,
use also
yes,
diesel.
you can use.
We can.
Yes, yes, you can.
There's no problem.
No problem. Do not ever pour back the dripped oil in the tank. Please discard it. Means the oil, which is you just when you just do the maintenance, you just take this oil in the bucket.
And
Then it
return.
never use.
No. That's common sense.
Yes.
When we
Yes.
replace oil, that should be thrown out away.
Do not ever depend on hydraulic pressure for holding the components in position. Always use mechanical stop before starting the work. Example, compressor head. Here is the compressor head. Here is an example. Now, when you remove that pipe, it suddenly
Yes,
goes
yes.
down. So you need to use some mechanical stops there for
Also,
safety.
Also, kagaya nung
Yeah.
ano, pag bago ka mag-open ng valve, before you
Yeah.
open the valve, and then the hose, you have to use some mechanical device.
If he or that people cannot understand English, you can speak in your language to explain him.
Ayan.
Pag nabakot sa hangin, kailangan i-stop it.
Do not attempt to disconnect or tighten any hose or fitting when the system is working. It's also a simple point.
Kung umandar daw, do not attempt, huwag kang tanggalin. Tanggalin ang mga hose kung umandar. Siyempre, pag umandar, tanggalin hose, di sasabog na kayo.
Do not ever try to open hydraulic circuit for troubleshooting without the proper schematic circuit or proper piping diagram.
Here is the diagram.
It's already in the book.
In that book. That's the wiring diagram.
Yes, piping diagram.
Piping and wiring diagram.
Do not try to troubleshoot the circuit without understanding interpreting the hydraulic circuit. It's the same point. Do not operate the machine SPM 20 in overloaded condition for extended period of time.
What do you mean by extended
Means
more than
not
many hours?
not you do the more filling and it get more compaction. Don't run the machine like this. Run the machine like in normal condition.
But we can run it in even 20 hours a day. We can run.
Yes, you can run. You can run 24 hours a day. But in normal condition, not try to do the overfilling and more compaction.
Like that one, big
Yeah,
hopper.
yes,
That
like
is-
that is
that is not available.
long time, yes.
That's why we use small,
Yes.
because that is the proper way.
Yeah.
The bigger one is not the proper way.
Hindi, ibig sabihin kung ino-overfill mo, ino-over-vibrate, yun. Hindi yun gano'n, yung hindi normal yun, hindi normal. Kaya gusto mo abutin yung 10,000 PSI, tatagalan mo yung ano, hindi normal.
Oo, di siya nagtatamang.
Yung normal. Oh.
Do not try to adjust the pressure of the pump just because of the system is sluggish. Try defending the fault in the system before attempting to do any changes in pressure and volume setting.
Ayun.
From here we can
Operator. Yung adjustment.
here we can increase or reduce the pressure of the pump. That should be at 50 psi. If sometimes it goes below 850, first you check there is no any slugging in line.
We can adjust yan.
First you need to check the slugging is not in the line. If the slugging is clear, then you need to increase the pressure from here.
Ayun maka-adjust dito ba? Bagay sa Tiger, ganyan, di ba?
Allen rings.
Do not make
So,
any.
Babin, Titan is
First
Yes.
if you tight, pressure will increase. If you lose, pressure will decrease.
okay.
Tight.
Do not make any adjustment in the system which you are unsure of. If you don't have a knowledge, don't try to do. First take advice from someone else and then you do. Do not try to fill the hydraulic leaks with the hand. The sharp edges of the fittings and hose may hurt you. Means if there is leakage, do not try to check like this. Some edges, sharp edges can cut our hand.
Okay, the sharp edges of the
Yes.
the bolt.
Yes.
So we will use a wrench.
Yes, wrench. Do not use thread sealant like thread lock or Loctite wherever the O-rings and ED seals are used for sealing purpose. It's also a simple point. Do not ever carry out the pressure adjustment without pressure gauge. Make sure the gauge is working.
It should be
Yes.
in running condition.
Even in hydraulic and pneumatic also. Pressure gauge should be in running condition. Don't do the assumption like yes, it's working like
Yes. So how do we know that that gauge is always working?
if you start the pump, it show the pressure, then it's working. If not show the pressure, but your pump start, then it means the pressure gauge is damaged. It's a simple.
It's a simple. Yes. 19.
Do not ever fill the
20.
tank with the oil before passing through the filter.
Yeah.
Yes.
From
From filter
the one
only.
you
Yes.
discuss.
Do not assume the filter is correct just because it fits in the return line filter. Make sure the filter grade 10 to 25 micron only. Yes.
Clearance.
It's a 10 to 25 micron filter. Not more than 20, not below 10. It's in the range 10 to 25 micron.
Yung filter pag maluwag, the filter is not
Yung yung pino, kung gaano ka pino.
yung pino, yung
Fineness ng filter. Filtration grade yun.
filter.
Do not
Pero sa may sample naman, we can
Yes.
use the sample if you want to
Yes.
purchase it.
it's
So that,
already with
so that we have the same filtration grade.
yes.
Dami.
Habol.
Ito, tandaan, dapat ito
Tuloy-tuloy
Ah,
continuous yung
Pwede ba sa ano? Pwede to 37 na to?
Pindutin lang na ganun ba so yun.
Pause? Ano yun?
Pipindutin nyo lang ba para makikita
Hindi, 33 minutes? Pwede sa YouTube?
Pwede.
Pwede i-upload sa channel mo?
Kahit na 1 hour, 2 hours. Pwede yan, basta. Pag kami din nawawala, basta pindot lang ng ganun para makita ninyo.
Vlogger. Mr. Vlog. Ano pangalan mo?
Dado.
Hindi, sa vlog mo.
Just Dado Cabilino, senior vlog. Senior vlog. Follow po, papalo. Para po pang 100,000 followers. 100,000 followers.
101. 100,001.
100,001.
do not ever mix two different make grades of oil in a single system.
Do
It
not.
means if you use
Paghaluin.
some servo company oil, then when you try to top up or refill the oil, use the servo company oil only.
The same brand.
Same brand.
Same brand.
Do not allow nut, bolts, tools and cotton waste to enter the hydraulic tank.
What about if there is no available for that brand and we want to replace? Then the
When
whole
you going to replace the whole oil,
drain the whole,
yes,
drain the
when you replace the whole oil, then you can change the brand. But when you just refill or top up the oil,
In different
it's, yes,
Not
it's
applicable.
better that use the same oil.
Pag dagdag lang, different brand.
68,
Pagpalit,
68.
oh, 68.
Yes.
Pag magpalit, pwedeng in another brand. Pag wala,
Now every points are finished. If you have some doubt, if you want to know anything about extra about the machine, you can ask me.
Okay.
I just have
Yung
water.
ano mo sa kanya, ay, excuse Bobby, about this.
Kaya painumin mo muna, painumin mo
Ay,
muna.
yung water,
Drink first, drink first.
Ano mo sa kanya pare, yung katulad nito Karumi. So anong nagiging cost ng hydraulic pump once na hindi na lilinis tong
Kailangan linisan.
pero sabi niya 50 million ang magiging cost kapag ganito.
Makakapekto daw dito eh. Pag hindi marunong.
Na, nasagot na yun, nasagot na yun pa.
Ano na ba yun?
Okay na yun, lino na yun.
So dito boss,
Basta
yung
linisan na yan.
pagpapalit ng paving block na
Dito, tinanong nyo na?
negative. Wala
Ah,
pa.
sige, sa paving blocks.
Yung pag-change ng mold.
Alam mo na, in-explain na sa inyo.
Yung pag-change ng mold.
How do we-
Position.
We have also another product, paving blocks. We call it paving block.
Yeah.
At the height is only that one.
Yes.
What is the proper adjustment for that?
Better this person can explain you instead of me. So
He knows already.
yes. So
Alam mo na pala
so
eh.
I can also get confirmed that he knows or not.
No, ikaw daw mag-explain.
Bakit nagkamali ka nun?
Explain.
Ikaw daw mag-explain dito.
Ano,
Dito muna, dito muna.
There's no need to explain
Dito
to
ka
me.
na, dito ka na
Because I'm not
nagkamali.
the operator.
Ipapaliwanag na. Tagalog ko na lang.
Sige, Tagalogin mo.
Tagalog ko na.
Ito, straight naman ito. Pagpapalitin ko.
This one should be...
Hindi, siya lang. Kung mali, sasabihin niya.
rin yan.
Di ba ka maintindihan niya?
Hindi, paano balik ta rin?
Ito, babalik ta rin papunta dito.
Ganun lang, di ba may ginanon tayo? Hindi, may ginanon tayo eh. May ginanon tayo.
Balik ka dyan, boss. Babalik ta rin na.
Ito, tanggalin.
Ulit.
Pag tinanggal ito, ibabak to sa dito sa baba. Ito naman baksa.
Itong guide nga, itong guide nga na.
Baklasin to, lipat dito.
Lipat dito.
Baklas to, lipat dito.
Lipat yan.
Di ba may ginanon kayo?
Oh, ito nga boss, ibabla.
Hindi,
Iikot to.
ito nga siya.
Iikot.
Iikot siya na.
Iikot.
Hindi, paano? Ito?
Opo.
Pag ganon?
Oh. Iikotin. Pababa.
Hindi pa baba, basta ito, inikot na ganon. Ito, ito ganon din.
Oo.
Ito, pareho.
Pareho.
Biniliktad nyo rin yan.
Oo, binaliktad.
Oo, di ba? Oo, di ba?
Ito.
Okay.
Ito naman, dito sa kabila.
Mukhang hindi ah. Mukhang ito, kasi pakurba to eh.
Oo.
Mukhang ito,
Ay,
dito.
kung ito dito. Yo,
Ito
dito
naman,
na siya.
biniliktad mo.
Yo.
Kasi ito yung ano eh.
Ha?
Baliktad eh. Ha? Babaliktad rin ito eh.
According to the operator,
Sige, ikaw
we
na.
will
Yes.
Mo.
Interchange.
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 But our boss is in doubt whether he's saying telling the
Yung
truth or...
guide. Itong sa taas, itong
Yes.
no up. No up.
When
Itong
you take the slipper up, and this lever should be on a high point. When you replace the mold, when you take the slipper up, when your slipper will touch on the bottom cavity, the lever should be on the high point. This is called a high point. At that time, high point, your rotary valve will be get slow. So it's not hitting too much to the stop bar. That is why it should be on a high point.
Parang ano siya, cam. Cam,
Tapos ito
bababa
naman
doon.
boss, tataasan to.
Oh, tataas.
Itong dalawa.
Yan.
Tataasan. Taas. Papalitan to. Ito. Ayan, palit.
Okay.
Ayan.
He knows already.
Yes,
Papalitan.
You teach him, you taught him
Yeah.
how to change mold.
This one, the vibration. Did you, did you explain?
Yes, explain.
Okay.
Ano na dito?
The technique you mentioned, before you mentioned the technique how to
Yes. How to remove the second shaft or like that or
no the one if there's leak or
Yeah.
you explain already if there's a leak.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Basta ano dito robot, ano,
Yes.
properly...
It's in a daily checklist.
daily
Okay.
checklist.
Daily you need to check.
Pati yung mga belt dito, align. Daily,
Yes.
daily check up din. Align belt.
And what's the slack?
The belt inside is should be daily check up, should be aligned.
Yes.
And the slack, right? You
Yes. Like with the hand you can show it's like one inch or half inch it should be.
1 inch or half inch.
It should be go up and down.
Oh, yan.
It is okay.
Naputol kasi dati eh. Naputol yung mga tornilyo. So, nagluwag-luwag lahat nun eh.
Nakakapit to.
Oh, hindi nag-vibrate.
Ano tuloy na putol?
Yung motor base.
Motor. Before the motor base nut was broken and it
Yeah.
affects
Yes.
the function of the machine.
Yes.
Okay.
When
Any
will,
doubt?
when will you come back?
When John sir call me, then I will come back. Otherwise, there is no any chance to come back.
Just what you have said to me yesterday. If there is any problem in either mechanical or electrical,
Yes.
we have to call you through
Yes.
video call and
Yes.
that is free of charge.
Yes.
This one, let's explain na.
Wala pa. What about this? Electrical part?
Yan, para.
Panel board.
Ito natin.
You know about the, ask him that he know about the parameter, what he, the parameter said.
Alam mo pa dyan.
Sige,
Yeah, you know.
Sige.
explain.
Explain.
Vlog, you're a vlogger.
Tagalogin mo lang.
Una,
Ito yung ano sa daily time.
Time yung ano.
ano dapat?
Indicator, yung ano niya. Pinaka,
Ano dapat? Yan ang setting niya.
Oo, yung mag-setting niya.
Is that,
0.15.
super
Yung
setting?
aggregator,
It's
yung
all time. It's a
kalaykay.
agitator delay time.
Yung sa
Delay
kalaykay
time
po yan.
means when you want to start the agitator delay.
Ito naman yung
It's 0.15. It's all time are in millisecond, not in second. All times are in millisecond.
Milliseconds.
Yes. Then agitator stop time. When we start the delay, then we have to stop the agitator. So we put the 1.20. So after 1.20 second, it will stop, automatically stop. So what's the electrical work it will do from PLC? There is a SV coil, solenoid valve coil. So automatically after 1.25 second in auto mode, this coil supply has automatically stopped. So agitator will stop. This is the all PLC programming, and it is follow this time only. Then release time 0.15. When the high stop touches and these two lights are getting on, after 0.15 second it's also compress the product, then after it's release. So this is the release time. Then MFD refeed time means main feedrover refeed time. So in this machine you can see feedrover comes forward, then back, then again go back, then again comes forward. So this is the refeed. How back you want to take the main feedrover, this feedrover. So we just use the first oscillation only. So there is only 0.85 in first oscillation. Second and third oscillation will be 0 because we are not using second and third oscillation. So this is the refeed time, and this is the main feedrover dwell time. So first time when feedrover comes forward, it will stop 1.60 second forward, then it will go back. Then FFD dwell time. We are not using FFD. It's a front feedrover for top layer, but you are not using. This is the MFD dwell time, first oscillation. When second time feedrover comes forward, it will stop 0.85 second forward, then it's go totally back. Next. This is the vibration delay time. It's the same. When you want to delay start the vibration, so it's a 0.35. When the stepper goes on, feedrover comes forward, after 0.35 second vibration will start, and this is the stop time. First vibration stop time. After 1.9 second vibration will stop. This is the second vibration start time. There is no any need for hollow block for second vibration. This is the first compressor time, FFD vibrations time and FFD vibration action time. It's only works on FFD while you are using the top layer, but you are not using, so there is no any meaning to explain you right now.
Is this setting already permanent in any kinds of block?
No, it will change. It's not, there is no any permanent setting. It also depends on your mix, depends on your material, depends on your machine settings.
So this can change anytime.
Yes, you can change.
Depending upon the
Yes, if in your mix you just it may be wet mix or it may be dry mix, then you need to change.
Alam mo na mag-ano dyan.
yung malambot na
This is the
tapos yung
Bagoy mo dyan.
Field cycle vibration speed 2100 means and on filling, while the feed drawer filling the material, the vibrator motor will run on 2100 RPM.
Napoprogram.
Vibrator, yes.
The vibrator?
Yes, this is the RPM.
2,500 RPM.
2100 RPM.
Once
Yes.
it feeds the
It
material.
fill the material. And when it's compression speed, cycle speed, when it compacts the material, when it compacts the product, it will run on 2900 RPM.
Kaya pala mabilis.
walang bago yan.
Pag parang
Yeah.
mabilis na siya.
What's the maximum?
If you want to, yes,
Maximum,
this is the maximum. Maximum.
Yan ang
limit.
maximum niya.
Yes. If you want to increase the filling, you can here you can do 2300. So automatically the filling will increase.
So that it will stay a little bit longer. A little bit.
It's not little bit not longer. The RPM will be longer. RPM will be increased.
if the-
Vibration time will be same. Vibration time will be same. Only the speed of the RPM will increase.
If that increases, it
Like in 2000 it's running like this. In 2200 is running like this. In 2500 is running like this. So it's increasing RPM, not on vibration time. So if you increase here 2700, for example, you just run that power block, and power block weight should be 4.6, but it is not coming 4.6 kg. In green product, it's coming only 4.200 kg, 200 gram. So you need to increase the filling.
feeling.
So you can increase here the
Alam mo
filling
naman gadget
speed.
yan, alam mo na.
So you can increase the weight. This is the function of this parameter.
Kadalasan lang naman yan ang ginagamit eh.
Oh.
Then
Kadalasan yan.
in here,
Magpababa taas.
this is the production data. Daily.
So can you go back? So in principle, if this increases the field cycle speed, the
Yes.
product gets heavier.
Yes,
Yeah,
heavier.
yeah, that's what
heavier.
I mean.
Yes.
If there is an increase in the RPM,
Yes.
the filling of products will be more, a little bit more.
Yes.
Kasi gusto ko dagdagan eh.
Parang ano, mas
Tataasan mo yung
It's a simple. Vibration increase, filling automatically increase. Vibration decrease, filling automatically decrease. It's a simple.
Kaya pag dagdagan mo ng lakasan mo.
Lakasan mo. 2,500. Ganun. Ang pinaka-maximum niya.
Pero yan lang.
Yan pinaka, mababa.
This is the production data.
so today 287.
Yes. Do you have any question in this? This
Okay,
is the,
so machine cycle.
this is the total machine cycle.
So mold life is 80,000 cycles.
Yes.
That's no the
The new
recommended.
Mold, the new fabricated mold.
Yes. New mold from ano?
Mold from you. From
Yes. From
80,000.
Colombia.
That's
Colombia.
that's a recommended.
Yes.
80,000 cycles.
This is the last cycle time.
Sino lang?
Means it's take
Sikat lang yan.
12 to 13 seconds to complete one cycle.
Baka 3,000 cycles.
This is the simple. There is no any. Then recipe setting. Okay. Overview screen. This is the number of main feed roll oscillation. One means it's go back and again come forward. 2 times feed rower. If you hear it, I think you know. You also know. This is the machine cycle after hopper.
Can you repeat main feed? So
Main feed drawer oscillation. Mean if it is 0, main feed drawer comes forward and goes back over. If there is a 1 here, it's come forward, half go back, then again come forward, then go back.
That's what's happening.
Yes. Yes. If you are doing 2 there, so it go 3 times. Forward, back, and
can that make the product heavier?
no. It's not big, but in right now in my as per my experience, I never use 2 here. If 1 is enough to fill the material.
How can we make the machine slower?
No.
Ah.
For slower, this machine is designed for fast production, not for the slower production.
So
Okay.
what is ideal is forward, then backward half, forward again,
Yes.
and then fully backward.
Yes. It's a time. It's upon to you how want. This is the refeed. Refeed means there is a counter 0.85. When it's come forward sensor comes, it gives the signal to 0.85 second feed drovers go back, then again come forward. If you here do 0.20, then forward, like here it's go point 20 and again come forward. Here, if you increase the time, feed drawer goes more for backward. If you decrease the time here, feed drawer goes little back. This both 2 time. This is the refeed and this is the dwell time.
So ito, dapat ano, ikaw ang ano dyan, ikaw ang nakatoka dyan. What if for example, you're setting for the feeder, your setting is forward, then half, then forward, then fully backward.
Yeah.
What if the machine will forward and then immediately backward? Is there any
You need to
Zero.
do 0 here.
0.
zero?
If you do you put the 0 here, that parameter will not work. This parameter will not work then.
Isi-zero lang siya, isi-zero. Kasi minsan nangyari sa machine. Because our other machine, the one machine has also
Yes.
this kind of parameters.
Yeah.
And there are times that one of the parameters will not function. So that's why we do some analysis.
Okay.
If we cannot solve it, then we will call
Oh.
the real thing.
No, it may be some program related issue, then it may be happen. This is the IO status. Just a minute. But let me explain you. This is the I01. I01. Start.
Ito, in-explain niya sa akin dati to, pero nalimutan ko na eh.
Sometimes you get some electrical issue. So
Yes, that's
on
what-
phone calls, I will just ask you that I01 is coming or not. So what you need to check. I just asking you, I016 is on or off.
Ano yung ICR system?
Eh,
That will I explain you.
In-explain niya.
I0, I means input. Here you can see I. Every I shows it's an input, and O means output. I means input,
Oo.
O means O00, this is called O01, O02, O03. It means this is the output, and this is I indicates I01, it's the input, I06 input. And
What is it? I016 is working or not?
that will I will explain you. Here now there is a IO list. Just safety of
Kasi pag tumawag daw, I016 is working or not working, yun lang sabihin sa kanya.
Tapos titignan mo dito. Kung alin yun, may nakasulat naman eh.
I016, is I016 working?
see now here. Here you can see the green one and red one. Green one it means that is on, and red one that it is off. Now you can see I01. You can see here I01. Now see here I0 is indicates for what? I01 is compressor head up PX. PX means proxy. Proxy means sensor. So now right now the compressor up sensor is on. So it's indicate here I01.
So that is
And there is compressor up and its sensor is on. That's why it's a green light here.
Let's check kung naka-on talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi nga,
Dito yung kita. Ito, dito yan. Diyan, ito. Ito, dito. Dado, lika. Si ano? Ito. Yan, nakailaw.
green.
Yan, nakailaw.
Ito.
O yan, nakailaw.
Ito ba, green yan? Green, nakailaw lang ng ano.
Hindi, yan naka-yellow eh. Ito yung walang ilaw eh. Ito pag walang ilaw.
Naka-on siya.
Ito hindi naka-on.
Compressor head. Ito lang compressor head. It's on.
Now I03 is on. You can see I03 indicates what? MFD back PX. PX means what?
Proxy.
Proxy.
Main
means
feed
sensor.
drawer.
Your main feed drawer is on, back switch now.
Tingnan
Main
natin.
feed drawer back and its back sensor is on.
Nakasulat eh.
MFD, sir, this one. Sir, this sensor.
Ayun yun.
MFD back.
Pala.
Ayun.
Dito pa.
I think also
Wallet
there
pala
is a
to.
sticker here. See, FD, feed rover back PXI03. So it is on.
To FA. Pala yan. Feed drawer.
Dapat hindi nata
Hindi. Basta naka-on siya.
naka-on lang.
Naka-on. Yun ang status ng machine. Naka-on.
Naka-on siya.
Oo. Baga,
Kahit patay na doon.
baga sa limit switch.
Oo, yan ang pinaka-limit.
Sa limit switch, naka-indicate
Auto
yan.
mode and also in manual mode. In this machine there is some interlocking. If your main feed rover in forward switch means forward sensor is on, then compression will not come down or stripper will not come down. So if you want to take down stripper and compressor, your main feed rover sensor, mean back sensor I03 will be on, then only it can go down. Sometimes what happen in sensor, the light will get on, but you cannot get input here. Now I will explain you I03 where you can see the I03 in here, but in PLC how to see the I03. Here you see I means input, and here O means output. Here you can see the I00, I01, I02, I03. In I03 you can see the black line, black dot. So it means you can receive the input of I03 in PLC. It also indicates here, but you know how to show in PLC also. Like here you can, I will tell you tell me that I012 is on or off.
So it means that the light can be busted, but in PLC it
yes,
can.
yes.
So we
Main thing is here.
main
Sometimes
thing is here.
to run the light in sensor, it's needs just two, negative and positive. It will run the light. But for input, there is also a third wire. If you cannot get the
Yeah,
input,
if you don't
but, yes, but you get the light.
If you don't get, it's an emergency. The
Yeah.
only available
Yes.
switch is 2 lines.
Yes,
20. What's the voltage again?
24. Yes, DC.
For DC.
Yes, DC. Then you can here you can see which light is on. Here, if I tell I03 is on, I113 is on, I017 on, I018 on, I019 is off. Now you can see I013. Here 9 means and 0 means 10. Then 1 is 11, 2 is 12, 3 is 13, 14, 15,
What's
16.
10 again? Sorry.
Here you can start with the 0.
Yeah.
I00, then 1 for I01, 2 for I03, 3 for I03. After I09,
Yes.
it will 0, I010. After 9, there is a 0. It means it is indicated
that's zero.
I010.
Okay, I
Yes.
thought it was.
Yes.
Okay.
Then
See.
after it I011,
Yes.
I012, I013. That you can see here. Here is
Up to
only
19.
19. So here we have only up to 19. Then
Okay.
it will be I10. So it is here. This is one number. I0 means in PLC. I1 means this is the input module. This is a part of PLC also. So I10, I11 means one number light. Here you can see I16. So 1 number module, 6 number light. I15, 1 number module, 5 number light. It's on right now. You can see 15 MFD agitator auto selected switch. So in your push button, your agitator selected switch is in auto mode. That's why it's get the input. This is the same way. Then it's a I15. Here it's to 15. See, 15 it's a large. Then it's go to 2. Then 20 means 2 number module 0. 21 2 number module 1 number light.
Again. I was lost there. The
This is the PLC 0.
Yeah,
If
this,
you-
I understand
Yes.
this one. When you transferred here, I did not
Yes.
understand.
This is for 2 number.
I0.
No, I20, I20, 21,
Ah,
22,
because this is-
23. He went up to 25.
Okay.
Here you can see 215. 21, 22, 23,
Okay, okay.
24.
Okay,
It's
okay.
the same.
Okay.
Now you can see 27 is on. So you can see 27 rollway interlock PX.
Okay, understand.
Yes. And this is for 3.
37 only.
3 means, yes, this one 30, 31, 32. This is the output module. These both are output, and this one is input and output both. This is input module, this is output, is already written here. Input 1, input 2, output 3, output 4, and this is input output 5. Here is the 5, 500, 512, 54, 55. Then agar it's output I5051. This is the safety relay. If here it is so safety is okay. If here you can push the button and you cannot get the safety okay, you cannot control anything. You cannot run the machine. It should be safety okay here.
What will you do? You will turn off the machine. First, we will turn off the
You
machine.
just press the emergency here.
Emergency. Pag safety
Press.
raw, pag not safety,
Press emergency.
then it will return.
Pindutin mo to, pindutin mo.
I will press.
Yeah. Now see. Emergency push button pressed.
Then release.
Now release. Now you release. It shows PR enable PV. Means you need to do safety okay from that panel.
Okay, pindot. Okay, pindot.
On.
Hindi, safety lang, safety.
Now see.
Safety.
Ayan, yan, ito na. Dado. Okay.
Now again you push the emergency. Release the emergency and do the safety okay.
Okay.
Now it's a source safety okay. Then only you can start the pump. Otherwise you cannot start the pump.
But that is not okay.
Yes. If you cannot see the safety okay here, you cannot start the anything. It is for the safety purpose. Here, this is called the VPD, voltage protection device. If we have do the setting here, maximum 200 and maximum or minimum 200 and maximum 260 or 280. Below this range, it is working. But if there is some power fluctuation from your main transformer or from your main line, it go below 200, there is red light will be come here and your machine will not start.
Yes, sir.
It is also for voltage protection device.
If it is below
240.
200, its range is 200 and 280.
200 to 280,
Yes, in this range you can run the machine.
but below 200.
Below 200 and above 280 you cannot run. These all are called the relays, MPCB contactor. Here are the terminals. Fuse terminal, simple terminal. Again it's a fuse terminal, and this is normal terminals. So when you call me and we are talking on the call, you just need to know the basic only. If I tell you, just tell me I12 is on or not. So you can check and tell me, sir, yes, it is on
That
or
one
off.
will base on that.
Now you can tell me what is the I12. I12 is stand for what? Tell me. It is the pellet feeder forward SS.
I want to.
Yes.
The second one.
Doon.
Here what is the pellet feeder back SS. I12. Now I told you just start that light I12. How can you start that light?
This one.
Yes, I12. What is the here?
The
Pellet feeder forward selected switch. SS means selected switch. PB means push button. PX means proxy. Now I12. So when your pellet feeder selected switch, you do the forward, then I12 will be on.
This one.
Now you just stay here. 1, 2 it will on or not. Wait. Is it on? 1, 2. Okay. So you just know about this, or you are aware about this, that what I want to tell you. If I ask you that I-15, it is, what is the indicates I-15, and explain me.
This one?
Yes.
I-15. So this is one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one.
Yes.
The one with the light is I-15.
Yes, but it indicates what? You explain me. I-15 stands for what?
I-15. Agitator auto. Switch.
Yes.
Selector switch.
Selector
Main
switch.
feed drawer, agitator. Main
So,
feed drawer,
it's
Main feed
agitator.
agitator.
Yes.
Auto switch.
Now I explain you. It's indicate that this is all the selected switch. Now agitator selected switch is in auto.
Automatic.
If you off, now I-15 will be off.
Off.
Yes.
Off also.
Yes, it's off also. So you need to know that. I will tell you I-15.
What about if manual agitator?
The
No.
input will be different. I-15, the input will different. In auto, the input will different. Okay. So you just need not go too deep, but you just know the basic.
Basic. Yes, yes. Only the basic.
But at that time,
I-15.
you just told me that, sir, I don't know. I-15
You
is.
just asked us.
Yes.
Is I-17
Yes.
working or not?
Yes.
Is I-1...
So you
I-21.
have to aware about
At all.
of all the sensors like feed drawer forward, what is the feed drawer back,
Baka may halo
what is
pa
the main feed drawer
Diretso
back,
na
what
siya.
is the main feed drawer forward, compressor up, down, what is the interlock. You know about the switches. So it is easy to explain you. Otherwise, we can solve it in 5 minutes. Maybe it's take 2 days if you are not properly explained.
Ito ano, manual verse with the operator of the machine.
Here already the John sir is also written PX means proxy, PB means push button,
Ayan,
SW
yun pala eh.
selected switch, SV means solar diode, SS means selected switch, PX means proxy. Yeah.
SW selected switch.
Yes.
SS selected switch.
Selected switch.
The same.
Yes, same. Because here it is indicate SS, SV, solenoid valve, coil, all this coil. Have you get it well, properly or not?
Additional orientation, a little bit orientation.
Yes.
Because this is my first time to look at this.
Yes.
So your explanation about this is my first time
Now
to
here sorry, O34.
Oh, 3, 4. Oh, 3.
So tell me what is the O34?
Oh, 3, 4. Oh, 3, 4. The one with light.
O means output. So here you need to see in O34.
Oh, 3, 4. Oh, 3, 4. Output. This one is input. This one is output. This one. Emergency light.
Yes. It is the output.
Where is emergency light? Where is emergency light?
Yes.
The emergency light is on.
Yes.
2, 3, 4. What's the emergency light?
We don't use the light to one emergency. It's a simple emergency.
This
It's a
one?
just yes. Yes.
So this one is on.
Yes. Now you just press. Everything will go. Slowly. Now you need to do safety okay. Safety okay from this panel, then only it works. Safety okay.
Safety okay. Pindutin daw.
Safety.
Ito, time.
E-stop enable, guard openable. Now it's safety okay.
Isang other time.
Yes, me.
Yes.
How do you... So if you downloaded a program in my computer,
Yeah.
so I just remove this
Yes.
and then plug my
Yes.
LAN.
One end here and one end in your laptop. That's it.
I forgot my laptop. They reprogrammed it.
Oh.
So
So
I
that
know.
software was gone or it's already in it.
No, gone.
Oh. So no issue. Whenever you are free, you just connect your laptop. We will from there on any desk. We will again install the software on your our programmer.
Okay,
In
so
your
I
laptop.
will just communicate with your
Yes.
programmer.
You just communicate with me.
I just remember it now. I should have brought it already. When you replaced all the cable, this can be interchanged, or you marked everything in this side.
No, no. It's a sir, same to same. See, here it is I01, so I01 from
Ah,
the
so-
I02 to I02.
Okay.
Same I017, so here is also I017. It is the mark.
So what did you mark there? Just
Here nothing. This is the three phase.
yeah.
You just connect. If it is running in wrong direction, just change it to interchange here phase. But here, see R4. But this is the for model. It's your wire. But in our wire, you can see V8 here S8. So all 8 number here. 2 number, so here it is also 2 number, V2, S2, D2, W2. In pump there is also same 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 like this. So in here V8, it's a simple.
I was wondering, why did you do it? How did you do it so fast?
No, it's easy.
This one. Do. Mayroon magkwentuhan. Ito.
This is the VFD, variable frequency drive.
Variable frequency drive. Variable frequency drive.
Yes, it is called VFD. Now I explain you that. You increase or decrease the speed from here HMI, but it is in communication with PLC, HMI and drive. How can your vibrator motor know that it should be run on 2000 RPM or 2500 RPM? It is with the help of VFD. VFD will give the command to the motor that vibrator motor should run on 2000 RPM, 2500 RPM. It is with the help of the VFD. So in this you need not do to change anything. It's already
Steady.
steady.
Is this lock?
If there is some, yes, it is locked. If sometimes your vibrator not run, you can see the alarm here. Alarm. AL13, AL14 at that time you can call us. I will guide you how to remove that alarm and again you start. But before remove we need to check some things that why that alarm comes. After we want some conclusion and solution, we will start again. So no need to do anything here.
What happened before? May nangyari. Di ba nag-alarm to?
Alarm.
Ano ginawa mo?
Ito po eh.
Off reset.
One
Inalak
time.
ko lang back.
Yes.
One time it happened that this alarm.
Inalong ka lang.
Yes. Then off,
on.
off, then reset, then again start.
Yan, ito lang.
Yes.
If it alarms, that's what we
Yung alarm
do.
yan,
Yes.
pupula.
He just call me, I will guide him
Pula.
and resolve.
Nagpupula yan mo.
Ilang beses? Ilang beses na?
Alam na.
Ilang beses lang? Isang beses lang.
Just
One.
one time.
One time.
Yun dito, may nangyari ba?
Wala pa.
Ay, wala. Wala naman.
Parang dalawang beses tayo tumawag. Meron
Yung
dito.
nangyari dito, boss, yung fuse. Yung parang...
Saan?
ano yung
Fuse.
Yung fuse.
Fuse, yeah, fuse.
Yeah, this one.
Yung
Dito.
Yes, yes.
yan, palitan yung fuse. Yung
Ayan, special yan. Can you show me again how to let me,
paano pag system yan din yan?
is it live?
Yes.
Fuse yan, fuse.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Fuse o mga fuse.
It's live.
Sige, alam na.
Like this.
Okay.
Then again,
Ayun.
like
Kakaiba.
this.
Bago yan. Ayun, kakaiba.
Ayan, yung fuse na yan. Wala, dito yan.
Meron.
Same here. Same here.
Pakihawak. May tanong pa?
Tanong ka.
Is this sensitive to light? Heat. Is this sensitive to heat? According to the operator, sensitive to heat.
Okay na.
Don't affect the components of the electric part.
So we'll put
Yes.
some guide,
Guide or
like that one.
Yes.
Lalagyan daw.
Lagyan la. Pero ano, kahit tabunan mo na siguro. Kaso na mag-operate ka,
Hindi lalagyan ng kwaso.
lagyan na.
Harang talaga, harang na lang.
Well, we will put a wall to
Not a
prevent
wall.
it.
Just cover here. Direct, not sun rays come from the panel. For LED, it is okay. Directly sun rays not. But here directly sun rays come from the panel. If the LED is like that, so it is okay for this panel. You understand?
Wala na? Oh, boss. Harap mo.